Welcome.
Episode 46.
Aaron.
Chris.
Yeah.
So this is going to be a little bit different episode.
Yes.
Like the last three have been a little bit different. And everyone seems to be kind of liking it. So that's good. No one said they hate it. So
No, that's good.
that's kind of bonus. But we're going to do a 2018 rewind. And we totally understand it's already 2019. But looking back at the 45 episodes previous to this,
We did a lot this year.
we did a lot of
year.
stuff last year.
Yeah.
Like we were at the X. We were in Canada in the Park. We did our own dust-off event.
Mhm.
We went to Chilliwack. Well, I did.
Yeah.
You didn't.
We
Because
did
you
the
had to run the
Bash in
store.
Diefenbaker Park.
Did the Bash at
Yeah.
Diefenbaker Park. We gave stuff away.
Yeah.
We also had a boatload of cool things that we showed.
Yeah.
As well as we reviewed. We fixed. Like we did a lot of stuff in 45
Covered a lot of
episodes.
ground.
Yeah, I think we came a long ways too. Like the whole episode 1 thing.
We've come so far.
Together. Yeah. It's not just a one-sided party here. But anyway, so this is episode 46. I hope you guys enjoy the rewind.
Mm-hmm.
We're working on a bloopers reel, but it's not going to be in this episode. It's going to be somewhere along the line. Later on.
Keep an eye out.
Later on in life. But yeah, it's going to be interesting. Kind of look back on some of the stuff that we said and do. Holy man, you guys are in for a treat. But this is episode 46. Welcome to the 2018 Rewind. Hey guys, just Aaron and Chris here from Ultra RC Hobbies. This is going to be our inaugural episode. We're going to be doing it probably every Friday around 7 o'clock, and it's going to be on Facebook and YouTube. And we're going to have some cool things going on, whether it's racing, maintenance tips. We're also going to be showing what we're working on, personal builds. We're also going to put some customer builds in there. We're also going to be trying to do something neat every week. We're not going to be really lame, except for him. But,
Yeah. Always lame.
We thought we were locked up, but we weren't. We got you.
got you good!
Anyone's looking for a 110 scale Dodge Ram 1500 taillight lens? Come see us. We've got one right here.
Stuff's still falling off.
Slight cracking.
But still like mint.
She's gonna be minty, you know. I think we can fix this with a garbage can.
Well, it didn't really make it.
We broke it. It's not bad. Welcome to episode 24.
24, Ultra RC Hobbies Show. He's Chris, I'm Aaron. So, as you can see, this is not the normal background
No, where
for
are
the
we?
Ultra RC Hobbies Show. I think we're at the Saskatoon X.
Saskatoon X.
We're Saskatoon X.
Holy
2018
moly.
Saskatoon X, Hall A. So we're having lots of fun here. As you can see, beautiful track
Beautiful
behind me
track,
that we were
yes.
having some fun with. So
Hey, thanks for joining us today. I
like-
hope you come back next week and check us out, because we're going to do some real nice RC things. thanks for joining us today. I hope you come back next week and check us out.
Extra crew, we're set up here, Canada in the park. Deeves are gonna go take the crawler course for a test rip. But yeah, we're here having fun today. Canada in the park at Diefenbaker. Much requested. We got a little bit more of a technical rock section. Track is set up. Display is getting there. We're getting more and more people. But yeah, come out and have some fun. Diefenbaker will be here probably till about 4:30, 5 o'clock. Welcome.
Welcome.
Episode 34.
Episode 34.
Ultra RC Hobbies Show.
Episode 44.
Aaron.
Chris. So this is gonna be a little bit different.
With my screws, I'm ready. I got the camera set up. I'm gonna switch over to slow-mo on this guy so we can see it happen. Let's get this thing going. Remember, do not try this at home. Let's see what happens when a lipo goes bad. A lot of smoke. I'm glad it's with you today. Well, here we go. Look at this. There we go. We got some fire now. So see how it seemed stable and then suddenly just went. So I'm gonna back up a little bit for safety here. Look at that, eh? So lipo batteries, they may seem safe, but all it takes is a few pokes and the chemical reaction starts. And this is what you get. So remember, keep your lipos in a lipo bag because you do not want to burn your house down. You do not want to be that guy.
Episode 14. For more.
No. Damn, that's funny.
Someone count down from 3.
3, 2, 1, go!
it's time to try it. Let's see how much I suck at driving because I haven't driven it for like what, 2 months now, month and a half.
Yeah.
So Chris is laughing at me right now, but whatever. I can take it.
Do it.
That was the end.
That was the end.
Episode 46.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoyed, like follow along through our journey from first episode, number 1, all the way to episode 46.
46.
Yeah.
Well, I guess it'd be 45.
45 on the rewind, because that was the last episode. Sorry, 44 was the last episode of 2018.
Yeah.
2019 was episode 45. So
We did some cool stuff.
it's cool stuff. Jump some stuff.
Shake some cars.
You shook a lot of cars.
Shook a lot of cars.
You shook a lot of cars. As you probably have seen throughout that episode, there was a lot of cars.
2019, twice as many shakes.
So we call it shake and bake now? Just start throwing cars off the counter. Yeah. Okay, so we did that.
Yep.
Jump stuff.
Yep.
We had to fix stuff,
Yeah,
obviously,
we
after
did a lot
jumping
of nice
stuff.
tour videos.
Yeah. We did lots of cool product reviews.
Broke a lot of trucks.
We did lots of
I
drifting.
broke a lot of vehicles last year.
Yeah, we did a couple projects.
Yep.
A couple more projects coming down the line,
Yeah.
but you'll have to see that in later
2019.
episodes. But yeah, we built you built lots of stuff.
I built lots of stuff last
Man,
year, yeah.
counting through all the Tamiya builds, holy lick.
I went through a lot of vehicles last
Through
year.
a lot of vehicles. So we did that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, blooper reels coming later on down the line. We have a lot of footage to go through. The camera guy's like, there ain't no way it's going to be put in here. Exact words. That's not even like shortening it. That's not nothing. There's like exact words. Well, maybe there's some cusses in there and some like elbow slams, but hey, that's PG show. We can't put that in here. So
Think of all the new vehicles this year.
now we have 2.
We're gonna get some new Traxxas vehicles maybe this year.
100%. We're going to get some new.
We're gonna see a Slash 2.0 maybe. I don't know.
Oh god, this is getting into like one of those videos where it's just like straight clickbait, where it's like, iPhone, XR4,
12.5.
Whatever, blah blah blah. Oh, it's just what we think's gonna come out. So it's this, Chris is just creating clickbait. I think.
Slash 2.0. Get into it.
Hey, they already have the new platinum,
True.
or sorry, ultimate,
Yeah.
new ultimate. So they did the new shocks and a whole bunch of stuff. So, they have the limited edition body we have on the wall here. It's bright orange. It's awesome.
Pretty
Did a
bright.
limited edition x-maxx
Yeah.
in orange.
Yeah. We had the limited edition TRX
Yeah.
in orange.
In orange. And they
Traxxas
had a
likes
tan
that
one.
orange.
And a tan
And the tan one, yeah. The
camel.
Traxxas trophy.
Yep, correct. Trophy. That's correct. So yeah, it was a crazy 2018.
Mhm.
So here's to hoping 2019 is equally as good, if not
It's gonna be more awesome.
twice
Don't listen to him.
as good. Because he said there's twice as many shakes, so it has to be
It
twice
has
as
to be
good.
twice as good.
There's logic to that. I agree. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes. Make sure you follow us on Instagram.
Ultra RC Hobbies.
Check out our Snapchat.
Ultra RC Hobbies.
And check out our website.
www.ultrarchobbies.com. And don't forget to share with all your friends so they can see all this awesome action and all of the awesome action they missed from 2018. So thank you again for watching. Happy New Year again.
Yeah.
And we'll see you on the next one. Talk about being Urch. We're going to talk about things that happened again. He was a little bit wishy. Episode 14. For more.
No.